लॉकडाउन में तन्हाई जुदाई और बेबसी. Let's create a beautiful landscape while showing these beautiful emotions. Decide the color scheme and divide your sheet into half. Cover the half sheet with the rough sheet. Place any of the object to create the circle, because I'm going to create a day scene here, so I'm using a circle to create the sun. The color scheme which I have decided to use: yellow, orange, dark orange, red and a bit black. Don't worry about the uneven coloring, because we are gonna use a technique here, and after using that magical technique you will be loved to see the finishing look. After done with the coloring of one side, cover that side with sheet and work on the other side where we will be creating night scene. To create the moon, keep the circle and work with colors: green, blue, purple and black. That's what I have decided to use here. And same way I am going to do the coloring. Coloring is done. Now let's take a cotton ball and start doing the mixing. You will be observing that the finishing is coming really well, and all the gaps are going to be filled. Wow, really turned beautifully. Do the same on other side. If you are new to my channel, subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will not miss any notification related to new art and craft ideas. I will be coming with more ideas in future too. Like and share it with your friends. What you want to learn, share that in comment box below. Now look the finishing touch. It's time to draw the pattern. So I have decided that on the night side scene, I will be creating a girl sitting on a balcony railing. And on the day side scene, let's create a boy under tree. You can create any of the pattern of your choice. For drawing and coloring purpose, it's best to use the black pencil color. You can use a permanent marker for the same. This is a shadow drawing. That's why we are gonna fill all the pattern with black color. Let's create a little bit light moonlight. Wow, looking beautiful. It's time to work on the boy area. Let's fill the black color here or too. Emotions are beautifully portrayed in this landscape. I really love this work. How is it? Share your experience with me in comment box. To give the finishing look, it's time to create the borders. Remove the tape and use scale and black pencil color to create the border.